Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can shop directly from the Apple Store and ship your items to Kenya using Vitu Za Majuu step by step. Whether you are after the latest iPhone, a MacBook or any other Apple device, this video will show you how easy and secure it is with the Vitu Za Majuu. On the Apple Store, you'll find a wide range of genuine gadgets from MacBook Air and MacBook Pro to iMacs, Mac Studios, displays, and more. But for this demo, I'll show you how to buy the brand new iPhone 16 Pro and ship it straight to Kenya using our service. Once you're on the Apple website, click Buy on the Apple 16 Pro. From here, you'll get to customize your phone. Starting with the model, you can choose between iPhone 16 Pro or iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'll go with the iPhone 16 Pro. Next, pick your favorite color. You've got options like Desert Titanium, Natural Titanium, White Titanium, and Black Titanium. I'll select Desert Titanium. It's sleek and unique. Now, let's choose storage. Options range from 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, all the way to 1TB. If you are a content creator or you take lots of videos and photos, the 1TB is perfect. But for this demo, I'll select 128GB. You'll then see an option to trade in your old iPhone. This is available only for UK residents, so for now, let's select No Trading. Next up, payment options. Click Pay in Full, though you can also choose to pay in monthly installments if you are in the UK. You'll be offered Apple Care Plus, which covers your iPhone against loss, damage, and theft. And yes, you can even claim it in Kenya through authorized Apple service centers. For this demo, I'll skip it, but it's a great option if you want extra peace of mind. Then, add the iPhone to your bag. You'll now see suggested accessories like cases, chargers, AirPods, and AirTags. Choose what suits your needs, or skip this part like I will for now. Click Review Bag and proceed to checkout. Here you can either sign into your Apple account or continue as a guest. Creating an account is useful for tracking orders, but I'll go ahead with guest checkout. Now comes the most important part, shipping information. By this point, Vitu Za Majuu will have provided you with a UK shipping address. Enter that address here, including the zip code, and select your preferred delivery speed. Fill in all shipping details accurately. This ensures your order arrives safely at our UK warehouse. Next, add your payment method. You can use credit or debit card, Apple Pay, or PayPal. For this video, I'll use a Visa or MasterCard debit card, which can be a normal bank card or a prepaid debit card. Prepaid cards are great for safe online shopping. Enter your card details, review your order, and once everything looks good, click Place Order. And that's it. Once we receive your order at our warehouse, we'll take it from there, safely shipping your iPhone straight to Kenya. At Vitu Za Majuu, we make it easy and affordable for you to shop from the US and UK and get your items delivered safely to Kenya. We are trusted, reliable, and we handle customs, clearance, and delivery, giving you a smooth, stress-free shopping experience. Got questions or need help with your order? Like, subscribe, comment, and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.